Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today, we're stepping into pure luxury. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.
The 2026 BMW Motorhome is not simply a vehicle, it is a revolution in motion. Priced at an astonishing $15 million, this rolling palace represents BMW's bold vision for the future of ultra-luxury travel. It combines the brand's legendary engineering precision with the grandeur of a five-star penthouse, transforming every journey into an unforgettable experience. From the very first glance, it commands attention with futuristic architecture, sweeping sculpted curves, and illuminated BMW branding that glows confidently against the night sky. At the front, the iconic kidney grille is reimagined with a modern illuminated outline, creating a striking presence on any road. Sleek LED matrix headlights stretch seamlessly into the aerodynamic body, delivering both advanced visibility and a sharp, high-tech expression. A two-tone finish, often presented in deep metallic red paired with refined silver accents, enhances its commanding stance. Every curve is engineered not just for beauty, but for efficiency and stability, allowing this massive motorhome to glide smoothly at highway speeds. Its multi-level architectural design sets it apart from conventional recreational vehicles. Panoramic glass panels wrap around the structure, offering breathtaking views while maintaining insulation and UV protection. Integrated LED light strips trace the contours, turning the motorhome into a glowing centerpiece whether parked at a coastal retreat or high in the mountains. Upper-level terraces extend outward when stationary, creating outdoor living spaces that elevate the concept of life on the road. Step inside and the atmosphere shifts to pure sophistication. The interior reflects BMW's minimalist philosophy, blending clean lines with premium materials and intelligent layout optimization. Plush leather seating, brushed aluminum accents, and natural wood trims define the main lounge area. High ceilings enhance the sense of openness, while customizable ambient lighting adapts to every mood. Slide-out extensions expand the living space when parked, and smart glass windows switch from transparent to privacy mode instantly. The kitchen redefines mobile culinary standards. It features an induction cooktop, a full-size smart refrigerator with climate zones, a built-in espresso machine, and seamlessly integrated countertops. Hidden storage compartments preserve a sleek appearance, while fold-out surfaces provide additional workspace. A dedicated wine cooler and soft-close cabinetry add refinement, ensuring cooking on the road feels effortless and luxurious. The master bedroom rivals a five-star hotel suite. A king-size memory foam bed with advanced temperature-adaptive materials promises restorative sleep. Elegant wall paneling, ambient lighting, and expansive windows create a serene retreat. Blackout shades, integrated entertainment, and personalized climate control ensure complete comfort. Built-in wardrobes with specialized compartments maximize organization, while premium fabrics and meticulous detailing elevate the experience. In the bathroom, indulgence continues with marble-style finishes, a rainfall shower with temperature memory settings, body jets, heated floors, and a smart mirror displaying weather and daily updates. Towel warmers and advanced ventilation complete the spa-like environment, proving that life on wheels can rival any luxury apartment. Voice commands and touch-sensitive controls simplify operation, while a head-up display projects essential information onto the windshield for enhanced focus. Powering this masterpiece is a rumored hybrid or fully electric drivetrain aligned with BMW's sustainable mobility goals. A powerful electric motor and next-generation battery pack deliver smooth acceleration and impressive torque. Regenerative braking enhances efficiency, and intelligent energy management balances driving demands with onboard living systems. Rapid charging capability and advanced trip planning software minimize downtime, enabling extended adventures without compromise.